In today's episode, I'm going to show you the 5 productivity apps you must and should use. So let's get started. In this episode, I'll be discussing the productivity applications you absolutely must have in 2023. Time is a crucial resource in today's fast-paced world, and productivity tools may help us make the most of it. We'll talk about some of the most practical and efficient productivity tools in this episode. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B. Rising and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I cover planner and productivity tips to help you plan for what's to come. Subscribe now for new podcasts and videos weekly so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into the episode. App 1, TODOIST. TODOIST is the first app on my list. This program is ideal for anyone who needs to handle several projects or activities while maintaining organization. You can make and manage to-do lists with TODOIST. Set reminders and even work together on projects with other people. Every platform, including desktop and mobile, has access to this app, making it simple to remain on top of your work wherever you are. TODOIST is a strong and useful tool that is a helpful companion for everyone trying to stay productive and organized in today's hectic working environment. Its user-friendly features and straightforward UI make it a top pick for smoothly managing a variety of projects and activities. TODOIST allows you to build and personalize to-do lists, group activities into projects, assign jobs a priority level, and even set due dates to make sure nothing gets missed, ever. TODOIST adaptability and accessibility are two of its most notable characteristics. You can access your tasks and lists from anywhere with the app's availability across a variety of devices, including desktop, mobile, and web browsers. Because of this ease, you can effortlessly manage your business and personal obligations, whether you're at a desk, in the car, or out and about. TODOIST is a great tool for cooperation and project management because it also has a collaborative component. With the ability to share assignments and projects, you can easily collaborate and communicate on shared duties with family, friends, and of course, coworkers. App 2, Pomodoro Timer. The Pomodoro technique is a well-known time management technique that I even covered in a past video, and I'll leave that down below, that divides your work into 25-minute segments and then allows you to take quick pauses. By offering a straightforward timer and monitoring your development over time, the Pomodoro Timer app aids in the implementation of this strategy. It works well for maintaining concentration and preventing burnout. The Pomodoro technique, a time management technique, recognized for its ability to increase attention and productivity, may be put into practice with the help of the Pomodoro Timer app. The technique of dividing labor into smaller chunks, known as Pomodoros, of approximately 25 minutes apiece, followed by quick breaks, is made simpler by using the app. This methodical approach to work reduces the likelihood of mental exhaustion, burnout, and the propensity to put off difficult tasks. You can quickly schedule your work into intervals and breaks with the Pomodoro Timer app, helping you to retain discipline and remain on course. When it's time to transition between work and break times, the timer serves as a gentle reminder, helping you strike a good balance between concentrated production and restorative breaks. By utilizing the app to track your development over time, you may learn a lot about your productivity trends and pinpoint areas where you can be more productive. You may identify the times of the day you are most productive or the kinds of jobs that demand more or less of your attention, enabling you to adapt your work schedule accordingly. App 3, Rescue Time. Rescue Time is the next application on our list. You can use this program to keep tabs on how much time you spend using your computer or even mobile device. It can also tell you how productive you are at different times of the day by showing you which websites or applications you use the most. With this knowledge, you can pinpoint your top time wasters and make adjustments to boost your productivity. Rescue Time is a potent software that gives you insightful information about your digital activities and aids you in helping you decide how to utilize your time more wisely. Rescue Time gives you a thorough picture of how you spend your time every day by monitoring your computer and mobile device usage. Your actions are divided into productive and unproductive time categories, which can help you spot patterns and trends in your online activity. You may identify possible time wasters and diversions by using the app's statistics and analytics, which can show you which websites and programs take up the most of your time. With this knowledge, you may make precise plans to spend less time on activities that aren't productive and more time on tasks that are in line with your priorities and objectives. You may determine your most productive times of the day with Rescue Time's productivity tracking features. With this knowledge, you may organize your calendar to do more difficult things at your most productive times, maximizing your concentration and energy for optimal effectiveness. App 4 Forest. Forest is a cutting-edge productivity program that keeps you on task by making the procedure fun. You plant a virtual tree when you begin working, and it will grow over time. Your tree will wither and die if you exit the app or go to another one. More trees will sprout as you remain focused for a longer period of time, and the program will even plant actual trees on your behalf. Forest is a distinctive and groundbreaking productivity program that gamifies time management. By utilizing the app, you help a worthwhile cause while simultaneously being attentive and productive. The idea of planting virtual trees acts as a fun reminder to stay focused and stay away from outside distractions. You plant a virtual tree as you begin working on a task, and it grows. The more you work diligently without pausing or closing the program, the more the tree grows. Building a virtual forest of trees to represent your successful periods of attention and production is encouraged by Forest's engaging approach to productivity. This tangible reminder of your successes encourages pride in your job and keeps you motivated to do more effective work. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. App 5 Trello. For those who need to work on projects with others, Trello is a great program. You may make boards, cards, and lists using this virtual tool to keep track of projects and, of course, due dates. You can assign assignments to other team members as well as provide comments and even attachments. The app is free to download and use across all platforms. Trello is a flexible and communicative project management tool that enables teams to collaborate easily. Trello makes managing complicated projects and deadlines simple with its intuitive UI and visual organizing. Users may design boards to represent various projects, and inside each board, they can use cards and lists to arrange tasks and information. Trello's adaptability makes it perfect for a variety of projects and teams. Whether you're in charge of a professional project, organizing an event, or working with family members to organize home chores, due dates, checklists, labels, attachments, and comments may all be added to individual cards to give a detailed snapshot of the project's requirements and even its progress. The ability to work well with team members is one of Trello's unique advantages. You may give tasks to certain team members, follow their progress, and get alerts when there are updates or even changes. Real-time communication and collaboration expedite cooperation by ensuring that everyone is accountable for their allocated tasks and staying on the same page. App 6, Focus at Will. With Focus at Will, you can focus better and, of course, work more efficiently. The program adapts different musical tempos and even genres to fit your working preferences to keep you focused. Depending on your taste, you may select from a variety of channels. The software even monitors your productivity over time. A revolutionary music streaming service called Focus at Will is intended to increase concentration and productivity while doing work or even studying. Focus at Will provides specifically chosen playlists that are scientifically enhanced to improve focus and creativity. In contrast to standard music streaming services, the software customizes the speed and genre of the music to meet your unique demands by examining your working habits and preferences, which results in the perfect aural environment for increased concentration. Whether it's classical, ambient, techno, or any other genre, the wide range of music channels lets you pick the ones that complement your working style the most. Each channel is created to keep you focused and eliminate distractions so that you may work more efficiently and, of course, effectively. App 7 Focus Booster. With the aid of Focus Booster, a Pomodoro timer software, you can focus and keep away from distractions. You can track your progress, change the time intervals, and even link the app to your other productivity programs like Trello and even Asana. Anyone who wishes to use the Pomodoro technique has a wonderful alternative with the app, which is accessible across all platforms. With the help of the dependable and simple Pomodoro timer program, Focus Booster users may easily adopt the Pomodoro technique. The app's user-friendly design makes it simple to define work intervals and breaks, assisting you in creating a routine that is both organized and effective. Focus Booster fosters prolonged attention and reduces the urge to give in to distractions by splitting your duties into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes each, followed by brief pauses. Focus Booster delivers useful tools in addition to the main Pomodoro timer functionality to significantly increase productivity. The timer intervals may be modified by users to match their chosen work schedules and energy levels. This adaptability enables you to customize the strategy to your own requirements, ensuring that you focus and work as efficiently as possible. Your workflow is streamlined by the app's interaction with other productivity tools like Trello and even Asana. Focus Booster and other applications operate in harmony to improve task management and teamwork, which will keep you accountable and organized at work every single day. App 8 Google Keep. A note-taking tool called Google Keep connects to other Google products like Gmail and, of course, the whole G Suite and G Drive. In addition to making notes, lists, and reminders, you can also include voice recordings and even photographs. Because the app syncs across all platforms and even your devices, it's simple to access your notes from anywhere. Additionally, it offers a lot of features and is of course free to use. With its many features and seamless integration with other Google products, Google Keep is a flexible and effective tool for collecting notes that will increase your productivity and even organization. You can make and manage notes, to-do lists, reminders, and more with its user-friendly design. The program makes it simple to record and preserve information in many formats by allowing you to connect photographs and voice recordings to your notes. Google Keep's flawless synchronization across platforms and devices is one of its key benefits. Your notes and lists are automatically updated and accessible from any device, including your desktop, mobile, or even your tablet. By synchronizing your devices, you may switch between them without missing any important information while working or even traveling. Its capability is further increased by Google Keep's interaction with other Google products like Gmail and G Drive. Your workflow may be streamlined and productive, cooperation made possible by the simple addition of notes or reminders from your email or by sharing them from Google Drive. App 9 HABITICA. A productivity software called HABITICA transforms your life into a role-playing game. By performing daily activities and forming positive habits, you build a character and level up. With the app, you may earn points to level up your character or unlock additional features as incentives and prizes for working hard. It's a fun and interesting method to continue working toward your many objectives. HABITICA is an innovative and entertaining productivity tool that turns your everyday habits and routines into fun quests and challenges. And the art style kind of reminds me of Stardew Valley as well. You get experience points and awards as you do chores, develop constructive habits, and accomplish your goals in the virtual world of HABITICA, allowing you to level up your character. This role-playing game, also known as an RPG, has components of the software bringing enjoyment and inspiration to your pursuit of productivity. You are inspired to approach your daily activities with a feeling of adventure and passion by personifying your chores and goals as quests. HABITICA rewards your real-world achievements with palpable improvements to your character's appearance, gear, and skills as you go through the game. HABITICA also fosters a feeling of community by letting you join or start groups with friends or like-minded people who have comparable objectives and even difficulties that you share. These organizations may offer accountability, support, and motivation, fostering a healthy and inspiring atmosphere for one's development. App 10, EVERNOTE. You may write down and arrange all of your ideas, thoughts, and projects with the note-taking tool EVERNOTE. To organize everything, you can make notes, assign tags, and even add attachments like photos, PDFs, and even audio files. You can access your notes from anywhere thanks to the app's availability across all platforms and its device-to-device syncing feature. EVERNOTE is a flexible and potent note-taking application that gives you the ability to record and arrange all of your thoughts, ideas, and projects on a single platform. You may make notes on a variety of subjects using its user-friendly interface, and you can tag them for quick retrieval and even reference. You may connect a variety of assets including images, PDFs, and audio files thanks to the app's versatility, enhancing your notes with multimedia components. EVERNOTE's flawless synchronization across all the platforms and devices is one of its most notable features. Your notes are immediately synchronized so you can access them from any of your devices, whether you use EVERNOTE on your computer, smartphone, or even your tablet. They will still all be up to date. You may easily transition between devices thanks to this synchronization, which makes it easier to work on your projects or come up with ideas while on the road. With the powerful and effective search tool of EVERNOTE, you can locate certain notes or information with ease. You may quickly find any note in your EVERNOTE database using the mix of tags, titles, and keywords, saving your important time and effort in your daily routine.
Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com, helping you plan for what's to come.
Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed an app on our list. App 1, TODOIST. App 2, Pomodoro Timer. App 3, Rescue Time. App 4, Forest. App 5, TRELLO. App 6, Focus at Will. App 7, Focus Booster. App 8, Google Keep. App 9, HABITICA. App 10, EVERNOTE. Productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of a commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. Paul J. Meyer. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.